maaaring magkaroon tayo kuya ng suggest, go na tayo sa, any suggestion pa ba meron ka? Kuya?
Ate, kailan tayo mag-visit sa kanila, sa hospital?
Kuya, out of order. Mamaya na natin po yung pag-usapan. Nandito pa po tayo sa contribution amount pa lang po tayo. So, wala na bang suggestion? Any suggestion para sa amount? Kuya?
I move to close the motion for the members.
So, move to close. I need someone to second it.
I second it.
It was in close and seconded by Kuya Jan, and seconded by Kuya Jan next. So, mayroon tayong dalawang na-propose na contribution amount. So, ang gagawin natin, let's go to the division of the house. So, Kuya Sek, maaari mo ba akong tulungan? Who is in favor for the 500 contribution? Please raise your hand. 1, 2. Lucky. So we have 2 votes for the 500. For the 300 pesos contribution. So we have 3 votes for